guys, it's Mish. Welcome back to my channel where I like to bring you guys along with me as I navigate my faith, fitness, and financial journeys. So today is going to be a planning video for me, and the 5 areas that I'm going to be planning for are faith, fitness, finance, personal, and then YouTube content planning. So I'm going to be going to a nice little coffee shop. I'm going to be there about 2 hours. I believe after 2 hours parking costs. So I'm going to go an hour for the planning side of things and then an hour of reading. I'm going to be reading the 7 spiritual laws of success, Deeper Than Money, and then I will be listening to The Art of Spending Money on Audible, and I will also be taking notes with that. So to get myself prepared for that, I'm going to be unpacking my little bag that I take with me to the coffee shop, and then I'm going to be repacking it with the things that I will need for that. So I'll show you guys that, and then we will head out. So this is the Bagalini bag. I'm just going to take out some staple essentials that I have in here. So I typically always have my headphones with a cord. I don't know why, it's just a thing of mine. And then in here I also keep, these are my cord headphones for my iPhone. I keep those 2 different sets in there. My little pencil pouch, the one that I will be taking today. I think I want to get my own designated one for this bag. I do have a few, but yeah, just the essential. Not me dropping stuff. I made a video last week at the park talking about these books, so I'm going to actually take those out and put those back on my bookshelf. I have my weekly planner here, which I love this little setup. And then there's a few zippers in here, some lotion, and then I'll show you guys the inside of the bag. So it's pretty spacious inside. You can have pens. That's where I have my sunglasses. There's a zipper here on that side. This is for my laptop area. And then on the back side, this is a strap in case you want to carry like a purse or more so like a briefcase, either or. I like to carry it like a strap. And then this part here, I guess the creators of this brand were flight attendants. So if you want to take this to the airport with you, this bottom part unzips right here to put on your luggage. But if not, if you happen to keep that zip, then it's just another area for you to put whatever stuff that you want to put on there. And then this was the front side, as you guys already seen. So now that I have my basic essentials already tucked away in there, I'm just going to add the specific things that I need today. So for instance, I am working on a financial booklet that I hope to be done with by the end of November. So this is just for some brainstorming. This is just a notepad in there. Deeper Than Money, a gratitude journal, and then I have my financial budget tracker, and then of course I have my laptop. And there you have it. Your girl is packed, ready to go to the coffee shop and be productive. Your girl is ready to go. And then also too, with this particular, it's pretty packed in there. The zipper, I usually keep this middle zipper zipped up. And as you can see, like, it wasn't a struggle for me to zip that up or anything like that. I really do like this bag. And as I said, the straps, but I typically just carry it this particular way. It goes pretty long if you wanted to wear it crossbody, but I don't. I just like it off the shoulder this way. And that's it. That's all. Sorry, I almost forgot. So since I'm going to be taking notes on the books that I'm reading, I like to bring just my standard little notebook with me. And then ever since I saw these tabs in the store, I just think that they're a great addition. They easily come off and on stuff. So this isn't gonna fit in the actual bag. So as I said, you could utilize that side space. I'm just gonna utilize that. Oh.
I usually all avoid all the back streets. I usually all avoid all the bad things. I can't just come around because you happy, cause I didn't do you good when you had me. I hope you still got time and you ain't past me. I hope you've been forgiving all the sad things. Baby, I'm still falling for you, you should grab me. So say the word and baby you can.
So I got very little planning done, and this one right here is the reason why she's been talking my head off for the last 45 minutes. Before she came in, I was on the phone with my other friend who was gonna meet up with us here shortly. So I got very little done, so I'm gonna have to continue at home, and that's okay. So this is the other person why I was on the phone and she was talking to me. She was talking to me while I was trying to get my work done, and then as soon as I got off the phone with her, the other one that I showed y'all earlier, she is the one that showed up way back there as to why I couldn't get any work done at the coffee shop. Now I have to go home and record, but they want to have their laptops and be oh so busy right now, and I just don't understand. You guys, I'm back home and I work 4 days this week, so I'm gonna plan for those 4 days.